Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you one more method to solve quadratic equation, and that method is called Sridharacharya rule. You will see that the same question can be solved by factorization method, which is much difficult, but Sridharacharya rule is much simple to use, and it is mostly used for the questions where factorization becomes difficult or impossible. There we use this method. Okay, here this is the given equation. Then the solution of equation is given as x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a, b, c are these coefficients. Okay, you will understand better with one question. So here is my first question: 9x square plus 7x minus 2, and we have to find x. Though this question can be solved by factorization method, in the end of the video I will show you, but that is little bit lengthy method, and this we will use here. So if I compare it with a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so can I say that a is 9? Can I say b is 7? Can I say c is minus 2? So guys, you compare and keep your values ready to fit in this formula. Okay, I'm all set to use the formula. X is equal to minus b is this, plus minus b square, which is 49, minus 4, a is 9, and my c is minus 2. Okay, now divided by 2 into 9. Perfect. Now we will simplify it. Minus plus 49. What is this, guys? Minus, and this minus will become plus, right? And this is 9 4 is 36 into 2 is 72. I'm multiplying these three. Divided by 9 2s are 18. Okay, so what I got is minus 7 plus minus root of this plus this is how much, guys? 121 by 18. Correct? So everybody knows that what is root of 121. I think you know that. So x will be minus 7 plus minus root of 121. I can write as 11 by 18. Okay, now because of this plus minus, I have two values. One will come with plus sign and one will come with minus sign. Here you see minus 7 plus 11 by 18 is how much, guys? This is 4 by 18. I can cut it, so it will be 2 by 9. This is my first solution. Okay, second solution will come with minus sign, minus 11 by 18. See, this plus I used here and this minus I am using here. So it is minus 18 by 18. Okay, I can cancel it and answer is minus 1. So these two are my solutions. Understood? So this method is called Sridharacharya method. Okay, guys, and I will suggest you please always mention the formula when you are solving. I will show you that same question can be solved by factorization method also. ठीक है, तो now I will do factorization method. So how do we do it? This is 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is 0. How do we factorize? We take product of these two. 9 2s are 18, and 18 I can split as 9 into 2, because 9 minus 2 I am getting 7, which is my aim, right? This sign is saying that subtraction should be 7, and I am getting it. So I will use it. 9x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 2 is 0. Here can I take 9x common? What is left inside is x plus 1, correct? What can I take common here? 2. What is left is x minus 1. Here, since this is minus and I am taking in bracket, so this will change sign. Okay, now out of these two terms, x plus 1 is common. X plus 1 is common, and what is left is 9x minus 2 is equal to 0. Correct. I got two factors. How to solve after factorization? We have to put this factor equal to 0 and this factor equal to 0, and it will give me answers. Okay. So let me put x plus 1 is 0. So my x is minus 1. This is my first root, and I can see it is matching with the root that I got using Sridharacharya method. Okay. Now let me use this. So here clearly 9x is 2, or I can write x is equal to 2 by 9, which is exactly same answer that I got using Sridharacharya method also. Okay, this and this are same. So I wanted to introduce a new method to solve quadratic equations, and I wanted to tell you the same question. If we solve factorization or method or this method, the answer will be same. It is just this formula is more convenient if you are not able to factorize. You will see some questions it's not possible to factorize. So we can go ahead and use this formula. Okay, I will just solve one more small question for you guys to understand Sridharacharya. Suppose this is the question, 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. You can see clearly it's not possible to factorize. If you try, it's pretty hard. See, 6 into 1 is 6, and we have to factorize to get 6, which is very hard. Like what I'm trying to tell you is, if you have 6 is equal to 1 into 6 or 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, out of these all factors, there is no factor where after sum I can get 6. Okay, so in such situations it's better to use Sridharacharya. So this is your formula. Minus 4 is c by 2. So here is my formula which I am going to apply in this. Okay. So first step is compare with this. So what is A is 1. You see coefficient here is 1. Okay. Now compare what is B is 6. What is C is also 6. So B is 6. C is also 6. Okay. Apply the formula, minus B plus minus B square, which is 36, minus 4. A is 1, C is 6 by 2 into A is 1. Okay, perfect. Minus 6 plus minus 36. What is 6 4s are? 24 by 2. Okay. Here, what is 36 minus 4? I think we all know it. This will come out. Rest of it I am copying. So it will be 12 by 2. Do you know what is root 12? Can I write root 12 as 4 into 3? Okay. 4 into 3. Out of 4, 4 will come out and 3 will remain there. So that is how we do root 12. Okay. So I can write x is equal to minus 6 plus minus 2 root 3 by 2. Okay guys. Now out of this, one answer I will get by putting plus. So minus x plus 2 root 3 by 2. Can I take 2 common? So it is minus 3 plus root 3 by 2. I am taking 2 common because 2 3s are 6 and 2 is out. Okay, 2 to cancel. So my first solution is minus 3 plus root 3. This is my first solution. Now let me take second possible root is minus 6 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Again I can take 2 common. So what is left here guys? Here is minus 3 minus root 3 by 2. Cancel. So this is my next root. I am just taking minus 3 common. Sorry, minus common to give the answer. So these are my two roots. This is root 1 and this is your root 2. Understood? So please solve these questions 2-3 times on your own and try to write formula every time. It will sink better in your brain. See you in next video with few more questions. Bye.